guys! Kahapon, bumili ako ng supposedly, dapat bibiling ko lang concealer. Pero, ito nabili ko. This Maybelline, bought it from Personal Care Exchange. This is gonna be my first impression review about this Maybelline Pore Eraser. Poreless Smooth Skin, lightweight and breathable. You saw this? Na-intriga ako, sabi, baby skin. Ooh, baby skin. Since ang skin ko ay or baka mo, actually, feeling ko hindi naman talaga pore eraser to. Nung tinry ko dun sa tester, I loved it. Okay, ayan. Sabi ko, ito yata yung primer na ginagamit nila before applying foundation. Hindi masyadong nakatulong yung sales lady na tinanong ko. Pero sabi ko, tinatanong ko kasi sa kanya kung ito ba yung primer na ginagamit before ilalagay yung liquid foundation. Sabi niya sa akin, itry ko na lang daw. Wow! Gusto ko yung lagi, diba? I use baby powder nga eh. Kasi it gives me that soft feeling after applying foundation. So, try natin kung okay to. And this is only, nasa yung resibo, 299 pesos. So, mura na. Not bad. So, let's try it. So, mag-a-apply ako ng konti. Maglalagay ako here. So, ganito ang consistency niya. Tapos, nasa tube din siya. So, maganda siya nasa tube kasi mas makakatipid ka pag gamit kasi hindi mo naman kailangan. A little goes a long way. Ika nga. Wow! Soft! Well, so umpisa, ito, nilalagay ko pa lang. Medyo, napapansin ko na ang soft niya. Sabi, pati daw yung lines. Sabi dito, bye-bye pores. Hello, poreless baby smooth skin. Well, actually, alam niyo, parang looks good. So, after applying the foundation, medyo nafe-feel ko, madali siyang mag-dry. Once you applied it, magda-dry siya kagad. Pero, pansin ko ha, is it soft? Yes. Yes? Hey! Soft siya. In terms of, well, sa coverage, syempre, wala tayong expect na coverage from it since this is transparent. But, ang pinagmamalaki naman nila is yung translucent gel melts on skin and instantly erase pores, imperfections, lines, and creases. Skin looks instantly transformed into a perfect smooth canvas. Skin is shine-free even in baby smooth. No burden to skin. Shine-free. So, doon sa pagiging shine-free, yes, I believe them. Since oily yung skin ko, kaya bumili ako niyan kasi na-intriga ako kung talagang baby skin. Yung, alam nyo yun, ayoko ng shiny, lalo na kapag magpapapicture ka, diba? Nagba-bounce back yung shine. Halatang oily yung skin mo. Totoo yung sinasabi niya, shine-free. Oo. Tingnan natin kung gaano katagal yung sinasabi nilang pagiging shine-free ng ating face. Apply ko muna yung aking makeup. Wow! Masyadong maputi ang ilaw na to. Okay, based on my first application, gusto ko siya. Nagustuhan ko siya and pag-apply pa lang feeling ko hindi ko na kailangan ng baby powder. Thank you, Lord! Kasi ever since nga, dahil nga ayoko nung malagkit after applying foundation, kaya talaga naglalagay ako, gumagamit ako ng baby powder. Na-impress ako dito ha. You impressed me, Maybelline. Though hindi nga niya natakpan, as expected, alam ko naman hindi niya talaga matatakpan yung mga pores ko. But, what I love about this is yung softness, exactly. Naging soft yung skin ko. At the same time, parang hindi ka nakasuot ng foundation. Oo, diba? Minsan parang pag naka-foundation ka, parang ang bigat ng skin mo. At saka parang nangangapal yung face. Lightweight talaga siya. And as I've said, yun nga, hindi shiny. Nawala yung pagka-shiny ng face ko. And naturally, shiny po ang face ko. So, normally, kapag nilipat yung lighting sa ibang sa ibang angle, normally magsa-shine, talagang magba-bounce back yung light sa face ko, may reflection. Okay siya for 299, not bad. One thing is that napansin ko, medyo nahirapan ako mag-apply ng liquid eyeliner. Parang hindi mo masyadong na-absorb ng skin ko yung eyeliner ko. But, pero okay pa rin naman. Na-apply ko pa rin naman siya kahit papano. Mamaya, babalik ako ulit after I go out kasi I'm going out ngayon. Pero I'll be out for about an hour siguro. Hi! I was out for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Hindi pa po ako nagre-retouch. Alam ko, mako-compare ko. Nakatulong po kahit papano itong baby skin. So, oily na. Ito talaga yung part na laging shiny sa akin, especially sa photo. Pero I can tell the difference. Alam ko ang skin ko at alam ko kapag lumabas ako kahit isang oras lang, pagbalik ko dito talagang super shiny na. Kaya every time talaga lagi akong nagre-retouch. Pero ngayon, hindi pa rin ako nagre-retouch ng lagay na yan. Pero medyo may pagka-shiny na yung face ko, pero it's still okay pa rin. Sa mga nagdadalawang isip pa. So, would I suggest it? I would suggest it if very oily ang skin nyo. Kung oily ang skin nyo at nag-liquid foundation kayo, I would suggest using this one first. Kasi, although first time ko palang itry, I think it's pretty good. So, yeah, thank you for watching my review. I hope I helped you to decide if you will buy this product or not. For me, as ang aking conclusion is, yes, yay! Yay for this product. I would definitely buy this again. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye!